Hello, my name is Eric Gaudreau from AXSUB. I'm happy today to introduce you the AxDDM software. First of all, you have when you open the software, you have the project selection window that will appear. You can set your default folder where all the video and the picture will be saved, and the subdirectory of that main directory will be your project. Your project can be a job site, can be a contract, can be a training session. So we will use Eric today. So you have to click load. You have a different setup you can set at the bottom here between high definition or standard definition camera. In our case, we have standard definition. Number of camera up to 4 camera. So if you have a system with 4 encoder, 4 camera, you just add on. And if you have a touchscreen tablet or PC, you check that box here. So we load the project. So right now we have Julien and Mary, that is Diver 1, Diver 2 in the system. Sensor 58, this is the last 2 digits of the serial number of the camera, the smart camera. So this doesn't change. Then once it's red, this will be enabled. And Diver 2 is 58. So we initialize communication. The system did found both. Then project. This is the first tab. You have first of all, when you start a new day, you change your pre-dive. So your vessel, your dive number, the location, your customer, and the member of the dive team. So you can select whatever you need. You monitor your bank for the hair, and you can manage new member if you have new diver or new crew member. You just add on those, or you can delete as well. Company information will be your company and your logo. You have to set up here the first time. Those information are saved afterward. You can generate a report for Diver 1, Diver 2, or both of them at the same time with that button. In the video tab, you will see Diver 1 and Diver 2 cameras. We are not underwater today, we are in the yard. So recording is one button, and you see the red dot is flashing. Snapshot will be to have some pictures. And after, you can add on the OSD, so date and time, company information, diver name, and depth. So showing 0 FSW as we talk. The multi-view, you can set up one-on-one, side-on-side, or picture-in-picture. The dive tab will be when you have the depth sensor, you want to plan a dive. Let's assume 75 foot at 80 minutes with the US Navy hair table. Then you have the plan, that is the green line. So when you start the dive, it will record, and as soon you get below, it will just trend that line if you dive as the plan. You will see the decompression stop that is planned, and the representation group, everything is there. Finally, the option will be your license, and the video option, you can use a PAL or NTC camera, color black and white, quality of recording, number of minutes per file, number of seconds for the snapshot. Depth meter option, you can set feet of salt water or fresh water, and a meter of salt water or meter of fresh water. If you are using a US Navy table, important to use only the imperial, because the table are set only in imperial. You can set the water temperature to display in degree F or degree C at this level. So you see degree C and degree F. Those are the two sensors that are enabled. You can enable up to 4 sensors for depth sensor, so 4 for the diver and 4 for a chamber or 2 chamber with the surface decompression here. Analogs will be for the SDA analyzer only. You can link device, and so you can trend the value, the PV, the present value of the sensor, the output, and set limits, alarm, warning level, and high level alarm, and low level same thing. So if you trend outside the limit, it will just show an alarm, and it will record everything as well, the raw data plus the graphics. So I hope this helped you, and if you have any question, please contact my email, eric@axsub.com, or go on our website, www.axsub.com. Thank you. Have a good day.